Hey everyone, so here I'm going to talk about the Telecom Customer Churn Prediction using IBM Watson, which is the machine learning project. So let me show you the data first, which I have used in our project. So this is the data which we have used in our project. Like we have customer ID, gender, senior citizens, partner, dependency, tenure, etc. columns. So as we know, customer churn prediction has become highly important for companies because of increasing competition among companies and increased importance of marketing strategies. So let me gonna show you the Jupyter notebook where we have done the data pre-processing and data modeling part. So this is the telecom churn model. We have done the data pre-processing and data modeling. Like we have imported the libraries and uploaded the data first, and then we have studied on it, analyzed it, and then this is the code for the data pre-processing. We have visualized our data using Seaborn and Matplotlib libraries. We have done label encoding and one hot encoder. So this is the model building part in which we have used the SVM model, that is sport vector machine. There are several machine learning algorithms that can be used, but depending on the data. As we have classification data, so we have used here SVM model. You can use any model which comes in the classification model algorithm part. So here, this is the model building code. In the end, we have saved the data with churn new pickle file. So now I'm gonna show you the Flask web application. We have where we have written a application file, which is a web framework written in Python for server-side scripting. So this is the code for Flask web application. Let me show you the whole code. This is the code for web application. Let me run it and show you the output. So this one is the output of our project. Let me click to continue with prediction. So here are some values which we have to put to get the prediction. These are the features on which the target value will be predicted, like gender. We have to put partner if you have tenure, multiple lines. Likewise, we have to put all the values. So we are completed with it. Let me start. So this is the prediction. It says yes, that telecom customer churn prediction will be yes. So this was the web application part. Let me show you the IBM part also. So this is the IBM telecom churn model file. This is the code for it. Here we have created the space for our model on IBM. And this is the name which we have given to our deployment model. So this was the IBM part, and also there are two more files, which is app underscore IBM and scoring endpoint. So this is the files which I was talking about. That is app underscore IBM.py and scoring endpoint.py. This is basically I have copied it from deployment part on the IBM side, and where app underscore IBAN is the combination of app.py and the scoring endpoint.py file. So that was all about our telecom customer churn prediction project. Thank you so much.